Hi everyone, this is Saurav from University of Lethbridge. University of Lethbridge is based at Alberta, Canada. University of Lethbridge offers undergrad degree programs of 4 years internationally. We also have 2-year diploma in finance. Hurry up guys, we are right now open for September intake. We offer programs in management, science, arts, fine arts, music. We are already open for September intake and we are in partner with Canam Consultants. We have a wonderful relationship with Canam Consultants. So do meet up at Canam Education Fair in room number 30. I'm very excited to meet you guys. I hope you are as well. To meet University of Lethbridge and know more about it, please visit Canam Education Fair. Thank you guys.